Hi, it's Michael from Men's Finest, and in today's video we're going to try to beat the world record. What am I talking about? Can we actually iron this shirt in less than 60 seconds? In less what we've done probably 6 months ago. Can we do that? Same as last time, we're going to be obviously needing a shirt. We're going to be trusting our iron, so we're going to be doing that. Also, I'm bringing my new friend, which is a starch spray. This is going to allow us to sort of have the crisp finish. We're going to apply a bit of that as well. The aim is to actually beat 60 seconds. Can we do it quicker? Can the guys around the world actually iron their shirt in less than a minute, in less than 50 seconds, in less than 40 seconds? I don't know. We'll see. And of course, for good fortune, I had to wear the same shirt that I was wearing when I was doing the video at the beginning of this year. So, for good fortune, this. And same as last time, obviously I'm going to use this. I'm going to use my Rowenta iron. So this is the iron that is heavy, that produces lots of steam, that actually helps us to sort of remove all the creases quite easily. And also this time I'm going to actually button the entire shirt up and down. This will allow us to actually do in front and back a lot quicker. So what we're going to do is obviously iron the top, the front panel, then we're going to go sleeves, then we're going to sort of assess the situation and see where else we have to go in order to get the shirt ironed properly. So max heat, steam is on, we're ready, 3, 2, 1, let's go. So applying some force to get it nicely ironed. Make sure it's sort of the front and the back is kind of aligned, so when we iron the front, the back doesn't actually crease as well, so that's fine. Then we have to go over the sleeves. Okay. So going over the sleeves, going here. Done. So let's have a look. How is this ironed? Would I wear this? Let's try to wear it. Let's see what it looks like. So this is it. This is how it looks like. So the front panel looks pretty much ironed. I mean, if you would put that on and obviously sit in the car or something like that, you would get more or less creases like this, so not a big deal. Sleeve, kind of okay. I would say 8 out of 10. The same here, fine. This is double cuff, so we would go with the cufflinks and a cuff there, so that looks okay. The back of the shirt, we don't forget we didn't iron it at all. We just align it with the front, but because we applied the pressure and the weight of this is probably like 3-4 kilograms. So it actually it's heavy enough. So the back is also ironed with the front. So let me just try this on. And what do you think? Because I think I would, wouldn't mind wearing this, especially if you figure out that it took me 45 seconds, 48 seconds to actually iron this. So you've got two choices. You can either do it in a minute or 48 seconds. So I don't want to hear any excuse that you mum needs to iron your shirt. You have to iron your shirt yourself. Go back to the video, watch it again, iron your shirt yourself. And we didn't even have to use our good friend starch spray to get this. So imagine if we were to use this. And thank you so much for watching. For more videos, keep watching that playlist and stay stylish. Hi, it's Michael Frackowiak here. I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you may ask, why should I do that? Well, every week I'll post 3 new videos focusing on helping you to become a better man. helping you looking smart. That's all I do. And yes, you will feel uncomfortable, and yes, you may laugh at times, but also you're going to be inspired and motivated. Most importantly, you will get a set of skills that is going to transform your life and your business. Simply working better. Ultimately, it's going to make you more money. So go ahead, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my single episodes. And I promise you, you will not regret it.